What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you very much for tuning in today. I got some really good Yeezys and I got some not so good Yeezys. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'm always doing giveaways. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, you guys. I'm gonna start with today's drop. A Jordan 13 came out and I picked up a few pairs. I had to ship one pair out, but thanks to my sister and my brother-in-law for picking these up for me, and my little brother. I appreciate you guys. Here it is over here, you guys, the Jordan 13 that just came out today. The Jordan 13 Silhouette Hyper Royal. It's nothing crazy. You guys have seen the Jordan 13s before. Nice little jump man right there on the tongue. And it's reflective. You guys can kind of tell over here on the ring light that it's reflective. But yeah, nice Jordan 13 Hyper Royals. I'm gonna put these in the box. Actually, I'll put one up here for you guys to check out as I'm unboxing. I ended up getting, like I said, a few pairs. Another one right here. I'll show you guys these right here. I'll save all the Adidas pairs for last. I pulled the trigger on these, you guys. It's my first personal pair of Air Maxes. And check it out over here, you guys. I really like these. I saw these sitting on sneakers, and you can see it's got like a deconstructed look, kind of like an off-white look over here. It's got the like stained infrared on the side and on the bottom right there, and then it's got like a little bit of suede nubuck on the toe box right here, mesh right here, and it's got like a clear rubber covering the Air Max right there. It's kind of shiny, you can tell. But yeah, a bunch of different materials on this Air Max, and like I said, it's got a off-white look because it's exposed foam right here. But yeah, I thought these were pretty sweet, and I wanted to pull the trigger on them and give them a try. But yeah, it was a pretty nice shoe, you guys. I'll throw it up here and move on to the next shoe. This actually a buddy of mine threw me to unbox to show you guys. It's the Human Race all like brown. Shout out to Omar, thank you, man, for letting me borrow these. But all brown NMDs, check them out over here. I had the white pair, I had the black pair. This is like the all burgundy brown. I don't even know what to call it. It doesn't look like it's brown in person. It's more like a burgundy, but yeah, extra laces right here. Let me know in the comment section what do you guys like the most, the white one, the black one, or these right here. I think there's yellow as well. They're coming out with a bunch of these. But yeah, I'll throw these up here as well and move on to the next. This is a restock, you guys. Yeezy 500 restock. I think the first one came out in like 2017. I could be mistaken. But yeah, these finally came in the mail. The mailman brought these. UPS didn't, FedEx didn't, the mailman did. These got delayed, but yeah, I finally got them. It's the utility, Yeezy 500 utility black, and it's a low. There's a high and a low. This is the low. All black, triple black, whatever you want to call it. These are super clean, you guys. Super clean. I was able to hit on these for retail on Adidas, and I'm super excited because I'm able to make a little bit of money off of them, and the money that I make reselling, I can keep giving back to you guys. So I'll throw these. I keep wanting to put them in the box. I'll throw them up here for you guys to check out as I'm going. And this, I usually save the best for last, you guys, but actually this time I saved the worst for last because I don't know what Adidas was thinking with this shoe. But here's the shoe right here. It's I'm gonna make a weird face because it's just a crazy, ridiculous shoe. I don't know what Adidas was thinking with this. This is a 380 box, and let me just show you. It is the Yeezy 380, like highlight or hilt. I don't even know what the heck the official, yeah, HYLTE. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but check it out over here, you guys. It is, I think it's the most disgusting shoe. Like, I don't even like the silhouette. I'm not, well, it's all right. The 380 silhouette is all right, but the color is just ridiculous. Like, it looks like a baby puke. It's horrible. Like a highlight green right there, and then like a different tone of green on this panel right here and all around. I don't know. It's a comfortable shoe, but I do not like this shoe, and I don't know what they were thinking. I don't know what they were thinking when they came up with this color. But anyway, you guys, that's it for the unboxing. If you made it this far, let me let me remind everybody, I just posted a picture on IG. I'll put it up right here on the screen. If you're new to the channel, I'm giving these away. Just hit the link in the description. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG, tag a few friends in the comments, and like the photo, and you'll be entered to win these. Bunch of people have already entered. I really appreciate everybody for participating. And yeah, you guys, I'll announce the winner for these Jubilees. It's a size 13 in a few weeks, but that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I have some crazy like Grail sneakers coming in the mail really soon. I ordered one off of StockX, I ordered one off of eBay, and I ordered one off of SneakerCon. And I've been eyeing these shoes for a while, and I just want to add to the collection and you know, just show you guys some really cool stuff that I got. So besides that, you know, I still plan on making some basketball videos, and I still plan on doing some mystery boxes. I'm just kind of waiting to see where I can get the best mystery box from. Like, I know that the Sneak City's got some mystery boxes, and then there's another one, Cam's Kicks. He just started, he's been on YouTube for a few years. I know he's doing some mystery boxes. I want to do a mystery box from here within the US, because overseas they're really taxing, and I just, right now, I'm about to have a second baby, and can't really afford getting overseas boxes because they're a rip-off, and I've been losing money on them. But anyway, yeah, guys, that's it. I mean, the Yeezy 500s, the Air Maxes, the Jordan 13s right here, the NMDs, and these crazy ugly looking things right here. They kind of match my shorts, but I still don't like them, and the giveaway as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.